Create Invoice page, where you can create your invoice against the received shipment, and associated purchase order. To start, you need to fill in the required header information, by selecting the identifying purchase order against which the invoice would be created, entering a unique invoice number, indicating the date when the invoice must be registered, selecting the invoice type as standard or credit memo, and adding any attachment required by FARA, such as a delivery note. Once these steps are completed, you will be creating a line for the invoice in the Lines section. To do so, click on the Add Document icon. A pop-up will appear, where you will need to indicate the purchase order against which the invoice will be matched. This will also allow you to match multiple purchase orders. Specify the invoice line creation date, and indicate any consumption advice. Click Apply to create the purchase order line, with the specified details. Your PO lines for this invoice have now been listed, and the quantity shown will be matching the quantity that has been received by FARA. Click on the Invoice Actions button on the top right of the screen, and then select on Calculate Tax from the drop-down, to automatically create the required tax lines. These tax lines cannot be modified. Finally, click on Submit, to finish creating your invoice, and send it to FARA.